Okay, so if you're taking it further, you're going to add some color. This part of the lesson, we're going to be using watercolors, but again, you can use anything you have at home. You can use tempera if you have tempera. You can use crayons if you want to add some color into your drawing and you don't have paint. You can use crayons to create some color, to add some color into your drawing. Color pencils, crayons, watercolors, tempera, even acrylics if you have acrylics. So here is, we're gonna get a little bit into having some fun creating this. And now you don't really need too many brushes. You're gonna need your water, obviously, for watercolors, and you're gonna need some paper towel. And if you have a brush or two, paintbrush or two, that's fine. So I am going to start with a little yellow. And I'm gonna start creating some yellow with some brown. I'm going to create different shades. Remember, this is a value class, so we want to create interest by adding different color yellows. And I'm going to start with the brown. Now, if you have these watercolors that don't have brown, just add a little red into your yellow and make a little light orange. That's fine too. Or a little bitty of black. I wouldn't use too much because that's gonna make your... And if you don't have watercolor paper, you just have to be careful not to add too much water into your paper, because then your paper is going to break. It's going to start buckling and eventually break. Okay, so we're adding to the darker parts, the darker colors. We want to create that darkness. I'm just going to paint along. A little brown darker here. So again, when you're home and you don't have paper, be creative, use whatever you can find. I'm sure you have cardboard, lined paper, and just do a simple line drawing if you have that. Don't go crazy, just do the best you can. But if you do have all the materials, that's awesome. And experiment with what you have. Okay, I want to get a little bit into the mouth, and maybe I want to add some. He is gray, so now a little gray into him. I'll do his nose red, his ears. Remember, with watercolors, the more water you put into it, the lighter the color would be. A little darker area over here, not too much, so I'm just gonna so there's my mouse, and I'll continue here with the face. Now I'm adding the lighter yellow into the face, and the oranges, the darker areas, and the brown here and there. Put darker on the top and the middle. And up here. Remember, our paintings get more interest when we add differences, composition. Now I think I'm going to use a larger brush here. A bigger one, but you guys that are home, use whatever you have available again. I have all kinds of brushes here, so I have the flexibility of using. Okay, and here we are. Here we have our lion, and I hope you're enjoying painting your lion. I can't wait to see your pictures of your lions. Bye-bye.